Samsung's 2025 foldables are reportedly getting larger. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 could make their debut with larger displays, according to details shared by display supply chain consultant CEO Ross Young. Galaxy Z Flip 7 will now look like the Galaxy Z Flip Special Edition. Galaxy Z Flip 7 has a 4-inch cover display and a 6.85-inch foldable display. Big change is that the camera setup is stacked vertically instead of horizontally. The Galaxy Z Flip May 7th come with 3 cameras. This third camera could be a zoom camera, something that the Flip series is currently lacking. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is packing this Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, and some market-used Exynos 2500 chipset. Also have 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Galaxy Z Flip phone will run One UI 7.1 on top of Android 15. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to launch in July 2025. It's too early for rumors and leaks. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.